Chapter 5, Data Handling. Now, what is the meaning of data? Data basically means information. Now, this information can be collected by oneself. So, when we collect the data by ourselves, that is called primary data, and it can be collected from other sources, and that will be known as the secondary data. Now, why do we collect data? What is the need for collecting data? We collect data, for example, we collect information about temperature of a month. You can get that either through reading a newspaper or watching a television, or you can actually measure the temperature with the help of a thermometer. You will find that during a cricket match, you have whole lot of data. When a batsman comes to bat, then a lot of information is given on the screen. That information is the number of matches he has played, the number of centuries he has made, the number of catches he has taken, and so on and so forth. And this average, his range, all that can be calculated and tabulated easily. So, data is collected for various purposes. In a school, data is collected for every student, that is marks, his height, weight, etc., and then the report card is printed with the averages. So, it is a part of our everyday life. So, primary data is when we collect it ourselves, and secondary data is when we collect it from others. So, this data can be collected, and then we can do various things with this data. We can make a meaningful information out of it. We can present it on a graph, and the information becomes more useful to others. Let us take an example. Let us consider a class in which you have a test out of 25, and let us say there are 40 students in the class and they have marks 20, 21, 22, 18 and 20 and so on and so forth. So, you have a whole lot of data of 40 students. This test is out of 25. Now, when the data is just written without any order, it does not make much sense. So, this type of data which does not make much sense, but at the same time you are having this information with you, this type of data is called raw data.